If you own an S13, you probably deal with this problem all the time. Look at that fender, just flopping around everywhere. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to fix that issue, and this will no longer be a problem. Yo, what is going on, guys? I am finally back. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new to the channel, then welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. But today, I'm gonna be working on the 240 like always. I'm gonna be trying to fix that issue with my fenders where they just like to flop around a lot. I know a lot of 240 guys have that issue with the S13s, especially if you guys have like fiberglass fenders, like over fenders and stuff. I know they kind of flop around a lot. Well, I'm gonna fix that issue today using this right here. These are fender braces for the S13. They're by Auto Collect Storm, and they're really affordable. So I'm going to use these to help us fix that issue. Super easy install. All it is 2 bolts on each side, and your fender will no longer flop around like that. So let's get started. All right, so these are the fender braces right here. You can buy them single or you can buy them in a pair. I got the pair right here. As you can see, they're made out of aluminum. All you have to do is they actually provide you the hardware. Just use the hardware they use, 2 bolts and a nut on each side, and that is all. Super easy install, and your fender will no longer be doing this. And especially with fiberglass fenders, I know they can crack easily. Even with this one, you can actually tell right here, all that flexing kind of put a crack on there right there. So I'm going to use these right here. I'll put a link down below in the description so you guys can buy these if you're interested in these. But super cool product, Auto Collect Storm. Definitely check them out. They got some cool products. I'm actually going to be using one more thing from them later on in a different video. But today, we're going to install these fender braces. So let's get started on that. So to install these, all you have to do is use a bolt and then a bolt and a nut on each side. And the brace is going to go this way, with this side going towards the fender and this side going towards your chassis. Now, you're going to want to bolt this end right here to the hole right there behind the tow hook. This hole that I'm pointing at right here. Not the one in the front, but the one behind the tow hook right there. It's actually already threaded, so you just thread in the bolt that they provide. And then the other side actually goes on your fender with the hole that's already on the fender. This right here, this hole right here, that's where you're going to put your bolt and your nut on this hole right here. If you guys don't have a hole, like if you guys have fiberglass fenders and you don't have a hole, then you will have to drill one out. And then you're going to use the nut and the bolt for that side. So the brace will sit on this side like that. And then it will sit up here like that. So there you go, just like that. And it will stop it from flexing. It will stop it from doing all this right here. So I'm going to go ahead, install this, and then I'll show you guys when it's installed. And hopefully this is gone. 2 easy bolts, just one on the threaded side right there. Then the bolt and the nut on that hole right there. If you guys don't have a hole, just go ahead and drill a hole. And that'll fix all our issues. So I'm going to go ahead and install it, and I'll show you in a sec. Alright guys, so what I did was I turned my wheel all the way out, and now I can go ahead and get in there just like that. If you guys have a fender guard right here, obviously, like the OEM ones, you're going to have to get that out of the way. But I know a lot of you guys don't, because a lot of you guys, you know, are probably slammed or something. Obviously, if you don't have a front bumper, you can do it through here too. If you do have a front bumper, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, but you don't even have to jack up your car. Just turn the wheel, and you could go ahead and get in there. Now I'm going to tighten that up, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, and we'll see what it's like when it's done. Alright, so I don't even have it bolted all the way. As you can see, I still need to thread that fully all the way through. But I got the nut and the bolt here. I chose to do the nut on top just so I won't have that bolt hanging from the bottom, maybe scraping. My car is pretty low, but check it out. It's not even fully bolted on yet. And check this out. Look at that. I'm pressing pretty hard on that. And look, compared to before, oh my God, this is not moving anywhere. Let's go check out the other side real quick and show the difference. Check this side out. Look at all that. And this side does not move at all. You guys saw from before. Super cool product, super easy install. Just 2 little bolts, a bolt and a nut on each side, and look at that. That's amazing. It's not even bolted all the way through yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that, and I'll get started on the other side, and that's gonna be it. It's super easy. Check it out. That's going nowhere. Definitely recommend it for fiberglass fenders specifically, because they will flex and crack. Even my OEM fender has cracked right here from all that flex. So I'm going to finish that up, do the other side, and I'll show you guys the other side when it's done. Alright, so I got both sides done, as you can see, right here, all tightened. Look at that. That is not moving anywhere. Now, the other side too, all done. You guys can see it in there, not moving anywhere. You guys saw before, it actually flexed so much it cracked right here a little bit over time. If you guys have Fender, fiberglass fenders, it's probably going to crack even easier, so I definitely recommend these. I'll put a link down below, like I said. Auto Collect Storm, super cool product. They actually make a lot of other products that I will be using later on, but that's going to be it for today. Super easy install, took about 2 minutes. Just they're 10 mils. They actually provide the hardware for you, so all you have to do is go ahead and order it. But that is all for today. Like, I'm gonna even give it a little kick. Nowhere. Nice. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today. Sorry I've been gone for so long, you guys. I work a regular job. I do have bills, and I just try to save as much money as I can to buy parts for this piece of junk right here. Not really. I actually love my 240, and I actually love making videos for you guys. I know a lot of people have questions about stuff like this, so that is why me and my friends love making these videos for you guys. Summer's coming up. It is currently April. I do have some pretty big plans for the summer. Hopefully everything goes well. I do have some stuff in the mail that I know you guys are going to like, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Stick around for more videos. I swear I'll try to upload when I can. I'm not making any promises, but I do wish I could upload every single day for you guys, but I just can't. I do not have money like that. But whenever I do get a part, I will upload for you guys. So it'd mean a lot if you guys just hit that subscribe button. If you guys share these videos with your friends, you know, help the family grow, help the Boosted Cartel grow. I have my Project 240. Chris has his 240. The other homies have cars too. If you guys want to see that, just let me know. But I love doing these little DIY videos because it just shows that anybody can work on their car. You know, if you don't, I have no knowledge. All this you guys see is my first time doing everything. I just get help from friends, you know, try to read up on forums, but sometimes you guys are visual learners. You want to see how it's done. That's what we're trying to do for you guys. So please hit that subscribe button. Please share this with your friends. Hit that like. Do whatever you guys want to do. But definitely stick around. I got some, like I said, some parts coming in the mail. Some pretty big parts. So definitely stick around. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Thank you for watching.